Deep in the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea lives a creature so fierce, so fast, and so downright prehistoric it's been called the most dangerous bird on Earth. Meet the cassowary, a 6-foot-tall, 160-pound bird with dagger-like claws, ninja-level speed, and a killer jump that could make a kangaroo jealous. It can't fly, but trust me, it doesn't need to. With a face like a dinosaur and a kick that could shatter bone, this bird is no joke. But here's the twist. It's also a fruit-loving, rainforest-dwelling mystery that most people never get to see. So buckle up, you're about to meet nature's ultimate feathery warrior. Meet the world's most dangerous bird, the cassowary. Think birds are all cute chirps and peaceful flats. Think again. Meet the cassowary, the bird that looks like a dinosaur, kicks like a kangaroo, and is officially called ... the most dangerous bird in the world. Cassowaries are native to northern Australia, New Guinea, and some surrounding islands. They're huge, flightless, and stunningly colorful, with bright blue heads, red wattles, and sleek black feathers. There are 3 species. The southern cassowary, biggest and boldest. The northern cassowary, sporting just 1 wattle. And the dwarf cassowary, smaller, but still not a bird you'd want to mess with. Why so dangerous? Okay, but why is it called the world's most dangerous bird? Let's break it down. Cassowaries are shy and secretive. But if you provoke one, brace yourself. These birds can run up to 31 miles per hour through dense rainforest, leap 7 feet straight into the air, and deliver bone-breaking kicks. They stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 160 pounds. Basically a raptor in bird form. Oh, and they've got dagger-like claws up to 4 inches long. One swipe can slice through skin like a hot knife through butter. Yikes. They've even been seen catching fish by spreading their feathers like a net. Pretty clever. After the female lays 3 enormous green eggs, dad sits on them for nearly 50 days until they hatch. Talk about dedication. The cassowary may be shy, but it's strong, smart, and straight out of prehistory. While attacks are rare, they can be deadly. In fact, one fatal attack happened in Florida in 2019. Dino vibes and diet, let's be real. Cassowaries look like they just walked out of Jurassic Park. But what do these ancient-looking giants eat? Mostly fruit. Yep, their favorite snack is fallen rainforest fruit, but they're not picky. Insects, fungi, snails, even fish, and the occasional carcass. Family life and culture. Here's a fun twist. The males are the super dads. Cassowaries also hold a special place in the hearts of some Aboriginal groups, featuring in ceremonies, stories, and now even conservation efforts blending ancient wisdom with modern science. So, next time you think of dangerous animals, don't forget this rainforest raptor. Would you want to meet one in the wild? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more wild facts about Earth's coolest creatures.